All right, in this video, I'll show you how to get USB-C connectivity on a motherboard that does not have the USB-C connection. You can see I've got this computer all hooked up and plugged in the regular USB 3.0 port, which is on the left there. But I need this, which I got from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But there are also versions of this that you could plug into your PCIe lane. This one goes into a USB 3.0 port on your motherboard. So you can see it's got the USB 3 on one side and the USB-C 3.1 on the other side. So I'll just turn off the computer and I'll show you how this all hooks up. Here's the wire that goes to the USB-C on the PC tower. And then obviously here's the adapter, and they just plug into each other. And that will allow you to plug into the USB 3 port on your motherboard. So they fit together just like that, obviously pretty simple. I did find it was easier to plug it into the motherboard first and then plug the USB-C cable into it. This works if you have two of those USB 3.0 ports on your motherboard. Obviously, if you only have one, I would go with the PCIe lane adapter for the USB-C. And it just looks like that when you're done. This is a good way to take old computer parts and use them with new devices. So there you go. Now it's charging this Marshall USB-C speaker. So super fast and easy to do. And it costs about $10 to $15. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.